Hello friends, this is the last part of silica, and here we will see there are two types of silicas. Okay, one is the one who has hesitation, who has timidity about appearing in public, lack of confidence, initiative lack of to take up an initiative that yes, I can also do something new. That is not his zone. Okay, like if we know, if we have seen the current movies, if you see, a lot of silica characters are shown in the males part. Like the girls are very bold nowadays, how they can just take up an initiative and they can tell the boy that I love you, I want to propose first and I will propose first. And the boys are like, oh, you love me. So they're thinking now what to do, whether they should say yes or no, because they have not asked their mom, because they want approval from their family. So this is a changing trend that you are seeing nowadays. So a lot of silica males are coming up, irresolution to marry, and that fear pins is there, whether my family will get hurt, what will they say. That is the coming trend, and this is a current scenario where we see all this very commonly, not only in movies, in real life also. Okay, so they want to maintain that balance and they don't want to disturb their parents, or they don't want to listen to the taunts of their parents. So they want that they should agree, they should speak to them first, that proper order, that planning. Squandering from want of order is there, no? So in that, what is there? Squandering is like going away of opportunities, just throwing away opportunities. That it's okay, I want order in my life, even if that good girl goes away out of my life. It's okay, there are many girls, I will see other girl, but I don't want to disturb that thing, that I can't face my parents, or I can't face that kind of scenario where people are against me, and then I have to run behind convincing them, and all that he can't handle. Silica cannot handle all that hassle. So that boldness is missing. Okay, new ideas aversion to. Then there is finances inability for, although we had seen that it is there in mathematics ability for, fishing aptitude for, it will catch hold of good girls, huh? But then finances inability, because what happens when you are going to get married, finance is not just money, it is not just business. Okay, it is not in any of the rubrics of business or money, it is there in finances. So finances, who deals our finances? Our in every bank there are people who take care of your finances. They will they will keep a check that how much money is coming in your account, now how much money you are spending, then how much are you saving, and then what to make good use of the savings of your money. They will suggest to you that you can put it in investment, you can put it in FD, and they will give you variety of options. So they have that finances ability, that how much money are you putting in, and then how you are going to spend in the best way possible, that is going to going to give you a good sum after few years. So that is financial ability, finances ability, that it is not just one day affair or just one time affair. It is on a regular basis that you calculate and think that for my entire family need, how much is necessary, how much I have to save, how best way I can invest. All that, lot of planning is there in finances ability for. So it comes with a whole sense of responsibility. And this is what makes silica anxious, that anxiety himself is attached to finances inability for also. Okay, then there are fear of pins, robbers, suffocation, and fear of undertaking a new enterprise. So that new enterprise can be any job, can be any business, can be anything, to take up anything new. There is a fear that whether I'll be able to do it or not, whether it will be successful or not, I don't know how it is going to turn up, how are the people going to react. All that is a hassle for silica. It makes him more anxious. Fear of so nowadays in this scenario, how will silica react to the pandemic? There is fear of contagion, fear appearing in public places, fear of disease, contagious disease. So silica will be acting anxiously cautious, regularly washing hand, taking care of everything very neatly, cleanly, and everything will be perfect in his house, counting continually whether you have done this or not. At home also he will take good care that everything should be perfect, nowhere there should be a chance of infection in our house. So all that is a fear of downward motion. Downward motion is why? Because fear, the silica wants to stay static, status quo should be maintained. Okay, from there if any downward motion, it will not be, he won't be able to handle it. Okay, that is what he feels, although he has the capacity, but he feels I won't be able to handle it. So fear of failure in examination, fear of mental exertion, literary work. Literary work is again that kind of work where a lot of efforts are needed to be taken, lot of literature is to be read, lot of studies to be done. So all that is what makes him anxious. So there is crawling children in nervously. In nervously is what? Now again it shows that nervousness, again it is a sign of the anxiety himself about I'll be able to perform or not. So they crawling children in, they feel that I am insufficient and I am just crawling, I am not able to run, I am not able to compete, or I am not able to go as fast as others are going. That is his anxiety. Okay, then looked at, cannot bear to be looked at. Again that depicts the lack of confidence, that they will, if we look at each other, if someone looks at me, he will know that I am weak at something. So it will not have eye contact for a longer time. Okay, now this is one side of silica, a meek silica. Okay, now there is another side to silica where in this also included persisting nothing in. So they can't persist in anything until and unless they find a support. If they do not find a support, then they go down the hill. Okay, now remorse trifles about for delusion, wrong done he has, that is something he feels that, that guilt comes in silica very easily, little things also, and he feels that, I shouldn't have done this like this, I should have handled in a better way, I should have taken this kind of precaution, I should have acted in this way. And then that remorse trifles, little things makes him feel that, I have done a big blunder in my life. Although for similarly, if you see for belladonna, for sulfur, biggest blunder they will make and they will not even think about it, but silica, for that little thing, will go into remorse. Okay, that is a bigger intense feeling of guilt, that I have to correct it now, I cannot just take it like this. So this is one type of silica. Now there is another side to silica. Now I'll just tell you one case of bedwetting, and then further on, after bedwetting, he had lot of white patches all over his body. Okay, now this was an old case actually, so I took time to recollect. Now in that case, the boy is the elder son. Okay, the elder son, and the younger son came after a very long gap of 5-6 years. So this elder son was provided again, with all the affection and all the attention. But in this process, what happened was that the mother, pulsatilla mother that I had described during the pulsatilla video, is actually of this boy, okay, who had a lot of problems, health issues, who keeps having lot of health issues actually. She had tuberculosis after marriage and after this delivery. Okay, after this son was born, silica boy. Okay, then she has gallstone problem and that chronic complaining that I have this pain and I have this acidity, I have this headache. So this is how the mother is. She is not able to take care of the house properly. Now when this boy is growing up now, in this growing age, you imagine a house where the mother is not able to wake up the child on time, not able to provide tiffin on time. She's never she's able to prepare the tiffin on time, and the son, he gets late to go to school every day, and then every day he will get a remark in his calendar. Then she can't go to pick him up also on time in the afternoon, and all that becomes so disturbing for this boy. He's coming in his 8th, 9th, 10th standard. He's in 10th right now, but since last 3-4 years he's been on Silica, very stable. Whatever issues come up, it's settled with Silica. Okay, so now this is a growing stage where the boy needs a support at home, that I have to study more, I have to spend more time with my friends and my studies and my extracurricular activities. So extracurricular is something out of his zone. Okay, in this boy, he cannot manage it. He has to first look after his studies. So initially when they had changed his school, and that was the time when this conversion took place from he was in a state of lycopodium earlier when he was little small. He was in 5th, 6th, 7th standard, and then when they changed his school in 7th, then what happened was that girls were teasing him. Okay, girls were teasing him, and he got very offended that why the girl is teasing me, they don't take me well, I'm not able to mix up with I'm not able to make friends in school. And then I asked him that why girls are bothering you, you can always reply back to them, why you are taking it so seriously? No, I cannot do that. Then the teacher will tell me that how you are talking to girls. So he is not able to, that is the timidity, that is the fear. So he could not do that, and then he was suffering a lot from a lot of other health issues were there. He had chronic cough which was not going. So then effeminate I had taken, that is the sensitivity of like being a female. He's acting like this. He's a thin fellow, and although not in gestures, but this was, I felt the excessive sensitivity as of a female, that she's talking to me like this and I cannot say anything. This is how females do. Okay, and this was not expected of a boy of Mumbai city. So that was taken, and he had settled with Silica at that time. So now in this growing age, mother is needed as a big support for his studies, for his performance, for being punctual in school and all that. So now I told him, you better go and come back by cycle, you don't depend on your mom anymore. So now how he has become, he's still on Silica, but there is a transition in the same remedy, that now that ego he shows to his mom, and he keeps commenting. He's become censorious, contemptuous, defiant to his mom, and he says, you're good for nothing, you can't even cook good food for us on time, you can't give us food on time, you can't do this and that, and you don't understand, I am in 10th standard, I have to study. So this is how he talks to his mom at home. He was never like this, but now the transition has come. He cannot take that contradiction from his mother, because this is the one person from whom he expects that she should understand him, and where it doesn't happen, then Cilicia loses it. He can go into that argument, he can go into that anger and contempt mode also. So this is one other side. Then there is obstinate children. There is also jesting aversion to, which Silica doesn't like. You make fun of me or do anything. That is why he got affected with the girls also in school. And now there are two rubrics of Silica where it's, I think, single remedy: lamenting night on waking. Okay, so lamenting is something that it's not a firm, but it is a cry which is going on and on with a lot of pain. Crying with pain is lamenting. So this is, lamenting is also a sign of a weak person who is not able to take his stand and make corrective measures in his life. Then again, there is also obstinate children in, yet cry when spoken to kindly. There is single Silica in this, and those children, who are firm, who are obstinate, I don't want to move, I don't want to listen to you, I want this only. So this is how they become very obstinate, very headstrong, very stubborn on things, and when people are trying to explain them, they are just crying, they are not saying anything, they are just crying. So not moving away from track, staying there and not even bending, not even succumbing, not even telling what exactly they will do, they will just stay there only. You say whatever you want to say kindly, you want to say anyhow, but I will stick to my stand. So I think this could be the interpretation, and you can apply this rubric, and please share how you have applied it, and this will help me also to understand better. So this is how. And there is also silica in weeping from reprimands. Reprimand is something told to the person in front of people, and this is what silica cannot take it. You don't tell him in front of people. Weeping when spoken to, weeping when touched. Okay, this is how it is there. It's there in yielding. So although he weeps, you can't speak to him, you cannot touch him, and that is a sensitivity which silica carries. So do like, comment and subscribe, and let's see which remedy we come up with next. Thank you so much.